Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about if you have to jumpstart your vehicle. You come out, battery's dead on your car, you need to get it going. What's the best way to do so and to do it safely? With today's vehicles, you need to be extremely careful. There's a lot of modules and computers on vehicles, and if you were to reverse polarity jumpstart the vehicle, you could damage these, costing yourself anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars. So we want to be extremely careful with this. When jump starting a vehicle, you want to make sure and connect the cables up properly if you're using jumper cables. But before we get to that, a simple and easier way to go about this these days is the little booster packs that we have available. You can purchase these. You can keep them in your vehicle. They stay charged for a long period of time. The positive goes on the positive of the dead battery, the negative goes on the negative, and this will actually jumpstart your vehicle. This little booster has a ton of power. So what we want to recommend is if you're not well versed in jumpstarting your vehicle with jumper cables, get somebody to assist you that knows how to do so. That'll save you a lot of money in the long run. Or get yourself a little booster pack to make it easy. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.